ラーレさん、聞こえますか？
え
あ、どうも。
ケイさ
どう
ん、いいですか？
もどうも。はい、
うん。
おかげさまで。どうですか、ラーレさんは。
あ、はい。もう元気。つもりで元気ですよ。
素晴らしい。
ちょっと、疲れる。
疲れている。
疲れてる。はい。
はい、
ちょっと。
アレルギーはどうですか？
まあ、私の、うん、寝るは、ちょっと大変だった。
昨日の夜。
うん、はいはい。
あ、本当は。あ、
大丈夫ですけど。
そうですか。
大丈夫。
私は今日ちょっとアレルギーがひどいですよ。
うん、うん、うん、うん。うん。
うん、
あの、なんて言うんだろう。天気は、うん、うん。ああ、天気は、ね。なんて言うんだろう、今朝。
いいんですか
天気
ね。
は、changing、
ああ、変わってる。
変わって、
うん。
うん、変わっている。
うん。変わるですね。
うん、変わる、
はい。
change ですね。うん、うん。remembering the 漢字は、その後勉強していますか？
その後、
今日のクラス、その後。
今日のクラスの後、
うんうんうん。
えっと、そうですね。
あ、
はい。
楽しみしてる。
楽しみに
楽しみにして
している。
ます。
はい。
ああ。
そうですね。今日のクラス、これからですね。これから、えっと、漢字を勉強しようかなと思っています。
うん。いいね。
はい。
ふう。
ラリーさんは、
うん。
あの、漢字は勉強したことはありますか？
漢字は、車してる。それだけ。
車だけ、車の漢字だけですか？
はいはいはい。私の好きな感じです。
ああー、やっぱり
うん。
素晴らしい。
ちょっとは簡単です。
はい。アランさんどうも。
うん。
あ、
何
どうもどうも。
何ですか？
こんにちは。こんにちは。
こんにちは。二人とも。
二人と
とも
もですね。
はどうも。
ともです。
二人とも。
はい。
とも。
はい。 えっと、アロンさんはどのぐらい漢字を勉強しましたか？
どの漢字？
どのぐ
えっ
らい
と、
漢字を勉強したことがありますか？
うん。えっと、10ヶ月多分と思い
あ、
ます。
結構勉強しましたか？漢字は。
と、
はい。いっぱい勉強しましたか？
はい。
何個漢字は何個勉強しました？
何個
はい。いく
何
つ
何個
いくつ勉強しましたか？
いくつ
いくつパトリックさんは分かりますか？いくつ？
ありません。
じゃあ何個漢字は何個勉強しましたか？
何個。
うん、そうそうそ
何個
う。はい。table two of counter
うん。
section. I think that's general counter.
うん。We meet again.
Yeah, we meet again ですね。
7個。
何個
うん。
at the bottom of the table?
ああ、how many ですね。
How many?
う
So 1個、
ん。
2個、3個 You see?
うん。
So 何個 is like what 個 right?
う
And
ん。
いくつ一つ、二つ、三つ、四つ and then いくつ those are crucial, important words to remember. Both of them. 何個 and いくつ
I like 何個。
Yeah. Because like 一つ、二つ、三つ、like 一個、二個、三個 those are used for very like a general objects.
うん。
So,
1個、2個、3個。
はい。Uh, sometimes if you forget, oh, what was the counter for like one glass or whatever, you can uh you can use like 一つ
うん。
ビール一つ would be
ああ、
one beer.
うん。
Yeah. So if anything, remember this table first.
うん。
Yeah.
You can get away with it, using it.
Yeah. Yeah.
あ
Like counter for cars for Patrick.
う
Uh,
ん。
like 1台、2台、3台. Maybe you already knew it, but if in case you forgot, if you said 車1個 sounds funny, but people would understand.
うん。
Yeah, so
Oh, they did remind me. What's this in Ikkai and Ichido
ah,
again?
actually, I'm curious. Let's look at those in the table, the counter. So let's see. 回、1回、okay.
That's times, right?
Yeah. Which table is that? Do you see it?
えっと、29。
29ページそれ
あ、
とも、
29チャート。
29チャ
うん。
ット。はい。
175ページです。
そうですね。ありがとうございます。Okay. So,
あ、はい。
okay, I didn't say anything, I guess, here. Do is more formal 段階。
うん。
Yeah.
It's more, I'm sorry, formal?
はい。
Okay, okay.
Yeah. But do look at the table below, though. Table 30.
うん。
Same do is used to express degree, temperature,
Ah,
or angle. So it is not the same. Maybe it is the same, but
Maybe based on context.
yeah, absolutely.
うん
Yeah. I don't ever say もう一度お願いします。It's formal. So I speak casual, formal,
Mm.
yeah, ish most of the time. So that's like the safe uh level.
うん。
Yeah. And I think most people say 一回 to もう一回お願いします。Yeah.
Because I've heard Ichido quite a bit too. So
一度
yeah.
From whom?
Like on things that I've watched or read.
Yeah, but like what things?
Oh, like on like anime and things.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, anime language is not it, it is different. It's
Yeah.
not yeah how most people speak. And it should be kind of. I
Mhm.
think so. Yeah. Because it definitely creates more unique world by
Mhm.
using a different type of language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know where that fell on the spectrum.
Yeah. あはい。アロンさん、漢字
はい。
は何個ぐらい覚えました？
何個ぐらい
はい。
うん。と、
大体でいいですよ。大体。
大体、
はい。どうぞどうぞ。
うん。えっと、えっと、知らないです。
わかんない。
わかんない。うん。はい。
ああ、そうですか。いっぱいそれとも
いっぱい、
少しだけ
いっぱい。
たくさん覚え
はい。
ましたそれとも少しだけですか？
えっと、少しと、簡単の漢字です。
簡単な漢字だけですか？
はい。
なるほど。なるほどね。わかりました。
すみません。
はい。
私の犬は聞こえますか？
全然。
あ、いいね。
うん。大体、これはちょっと大事な言葉ですね。ね、大体は、大体なんだろう。roughly かな。main points. Generally speaking, general. うん。大体、almost とか、えっと、 generally, uh, roughly. これですね。
いい
これがさっきの言葉ですね。
これがさっき、
さっきの言葉です。これです。大体、
さっきの、
はい。
うん。えっと、うん。
これですよ。これです。この言葉。見てま
この、
すこれ。今日のメモ。大体、
大体、
これね、大体。
大体、
はい。
そうですね。えっと、城と、石とか、お
まあ、簡単な感じっていうことですね。
簡単。
はい。簡単な感
はい。
じだっていうことですね。
はい。
はい。なるほど。じゃあ、これから漢字を勉強しようと思っているんですけど、
うん。
少しずつ、ちょっとずつね。だから、漢字はいいと思います。はい。パトリックさん、本が来たら教えてください。
はい。
はい、お願
き
いします。はい。
切っていました。はい。
あ
今日、
本が来たら教えて
はい。
ください。
あ
わかりました？
ちょっと来たら、
そうです。本が来たら教えてください。
教えて、
教えてください。
し、し、えー、
教えてくださいの意味覚えてますか？
ちょっと、
いいね。アロンさ
いや
ん、どうですか？
はい。
教えてください。
はい。please learn.
That's
うん
good.
い
What else?
please tell.
let me know?
Yes. Yeah.
あ、
Let me know.
あ、
Yes. Please tell
ああ、
me. Yes.
うん。
Yeah. Let me know what? 本が来
if,
たら。
if you bought the book.
Okay. Get close. 本が来たら。来たら What's that?
came.
そうです。
ん
But came is 来た alone. So, but this is 来たら。
Oh,
If it comes.
if it arrives or
The book
Yeah,
when?
is,
but wait, you know it will
Right, when
after you
maybe?
order. Maybe, yeah, maybe when,
あ、
yeah.
うん。
Yeah, so when.
はい OK です。
はい。And this 教えてください is something that Aron-san and I have worked on before.
うん
Uh, and it was a really good sentence. Uh,
すみませ
so,
ん。
はいはい。
No,
なんか来たら教えてください。Let me know
you have always.
when your book arrives. So our sentence is from today is 本が来たら教えてください. Let me know when your book arrives. And Patrick-san, can you see this sentence 1B in today's notes?
はい。
Please let me
あり
know
ます。
when you'll be late. 遅れるときは教えてください. Both translated when.
うん。
But 1A is 来たら past tense plus ら. And 1B is
時。
yeah, present tense plus 時.
うん。けど、意味は同じですか？
ちょっと違います。
うん。
ね、本が来たら、past tense plus ら。So the action needs to be completed.
う
So
ん。
it's more like once it's done.
うん。
Whereas 遅れるときは、it's like it's almost I don't really want to say in the case of, but when you say in the case of, it's like you know that there is a chance, and then it could be sometimes it's a recurrent thing.
Would it be in the conditional?
Yeah, it is conditional. Yeah. I don't know if both of them are conditional.
I don't think so. The first one's more so like factual. It's like when it's
Factual? Okay.
there, when this happens, as if
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it.
Maybe. But B is like future. Future. Kind of like in the event of. Got it?
Mm.
Okay. I feel like I was just talking to myself. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know if you're looking at this or something else.
No, I was writing down sentences.
Oh, okay.
So- I'm sorry, I missed what y'all were talking
Oh,
about.
all right. So after all, I was talking to myself. Okay. Like future, like a future tense, like please let me know when when you'll be late. Like in the event of kind of. Yeah.
I'm
Can I
sorry.
get some feedback?
I got a everything froze for about 5 seconds there, so I literally missed everything you just
Oh,
said.
really? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm doing. So we'll be all on the same page. 1A and 1B. 1A is like once it's done. 1B is like a future or in the event of kind of. I'm not sure if in the event of is a good translation, but it is future. And the difference is that once it's done, it's not going to fit well here. Once you're late, and then when you're already late, that's not really a good time to let me know. Before you are late, right? So that's the difference between 1A and 1B. So maybe in the event of is not a good translation. Future or when you know, not sure.
Mm.
One A is easier to explain. Like once it's happening, then let me know, whatever.
I think they both make sense
Okay,
to me.
okay.
I mean, 遅れる時は yeah, in late, yeah. And then 教えてください。
教えてください。教える is a good word.
Mm.
Like in English, we say like please tell me sometimes. Please let me
Yeah.
know. But the verb to tell or to let someone do something is not going to be used. So sometimes we say show me. That verb is 教える. Show me, inform me.
Mm.
Yeah. The other verb, other translation is to teach.
Is there another word for teach that is more like, I feel like maybe
More what? Formal or?
maybe more nothing, just another one that is used commonly. I feel like I've learned one, but it
Or
wasn't
nothing.
Yeah, I don't know if I was
You wanna
scratch that.
you
Not
you
not
want to torture yourself learning more words for nothing?
more nothing.
Oh, it's so funny.
No, I was saying maybe not more something, but just another one that's commonly used.
I
Shit
can't
it.
think of any
Okay.
Alternate, maybe.
alternate. I don't know.
Mm. Okay.
To study,
I'm sure
to
there's some very
learn.
obscure ones.
Yeah, to study and to learn, there's more. And those are more important to know.
Mm.
Yeah. Like the verb when I asked Aaron, like, how many did you learn? How many kanji did you learn? Like, yeah.
してる.
勉強している is you are studying right now, and then you have studied, you have been studying.
Mm. Is that the verb you used? 勉強する?
I did say 勉強しましたか, I think, once. Yeah.
Mm.
But the first verb was not it. I just kind of use the like more easier to understand word. 勉強する. 勉強しましたか is what I said. But before that,
I
I
remember
didn't.
習う.
習うどのぐらい感じ習う is more like when you learn something from someone. And studying kanji, I just assume that it's not he probably didn't learn it from someone because you can study on your own.
Right.
Yeah. Narao is also you can use it to mean to take lessons as well. Yeah. So you can say 日本語を習っています. Yeah, that's probably
It's like a more formal learning environment.
I think so. Yeah. And of course, you can teach yourself too. So,
Mhm.
so you can say, 今漢字を習っています。Sounds like, yeah, you're probably studying on your own. Yeah.
習う。
習う。And then there is, like what is learn by heart, memorize, remember, master. It's in today's notes, by the way.
うん。
The one after 習う。
覚える。
覚える。
うん。
Does it sound familiar?
はい。
Yeah. 覚える is important.
覚えている。
Yeah. どのぐらい漢字は何個覚えましたか？ And it's not so much like how many did you remember?
memorize.
Memorize. Yeah,
It's like
you
how
can
many
look at it as memorize.
No. Like how many
Exactly, exactly. Yeah. That's one. And 覚えている is more like when you know, when you remember. Yeah.
うん。The state of remembering, maybe.
そうですね。
Okay.
Did you change no to a dark red font?
Did you change? No?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, no, like no, the English word no.
Oh,
I'm looking at
yes.
the note.
Yeah,
And
I
then-
just did. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had done it with other notes, and I kind of liked it because I feel like using the verb to know to remember to study this particular word in this tense helps, I think, because when it comes to remember, there are three words, right?
Mhm.
覚える、覚えている、and 思い出す。And people often have a hard time like knowing which to use. So if I said 漢字を20個覚えてください. What does that mean?
Niju?
Can you say it first? 漢字を20個覚えてください.
漢字を
漢字を
20個覚えてください。
覚えてください。
What did I?
Please remember 20 kanji.
そうです。
はい。
Right. Yeah, that's right. So the verb is remember, right? How about this? To change は覚えていますか？
あ
じゃあどうぞ。
あ。
to change は覚えていますか？
The change は覚えていますか？
change は覚えていますか？
はい。what does that mean? 意味は
Do you remember
to like
to
change the state
Well, how would you translate it, Patrick?
to become.
do you remember the change?
Yeah, okay. Maybe let me try this.
But it makes sense to me because there's context
I
there. I
Sure,
don't think
sure.
Aaron
Yeah,
was
yeah.
there.
Okay. Like let me try better sentence. 日本語で to change は覚えていますか？
ああ。
どうぞ。
日本語で to change は覚えていますか？
で change は覚えていますか？
意味は
Do you remember to change in Japanese?
はい。
はい。
何ですか？
変わる。
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 そうです。
うん。
変わる。
そうです。変わる。That's one of them. That's when it changes.
なる。なる。
なる
あ
is to become. Right? Yeah. So that also uses 覚え to remember. The verb is to remember. So, but it needs to be 覚えていますか？ How about this? How would you translate this? Oh, I just remembered to become in Japanese. The word to become in Japanese. I just remembered.
今、日本語で、を覚えて、思い出す。な。
日本語で to become を覚えていましたばかり
Just, I'm glad that I asked you guys. What was it again? Patrick-san, like,
うん。
what was your like grad sentence again? It was like really complex. I can't remember. Can't
Was it?
remember. Can't remember.
ええ
Did you say 覚えている? Oh, 覚えています? Is that
ました。
覚えていました? Okay. So that's a good one. 覚えていました. You use this one, right? 覚えている.
Sure,
Maybe
yeah,
I
yeah,
should.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'll share.
うん。
So that means you knew when you say 覚えていました.
Oh,
At some point you knew, but you just don't remember now. That's what it means, right?
right.
Yeah. But is that what you mean?
I feel like it is, but I maybe.
Oh, but the sentence is this one. Oh, I just remember the word to become in Japanese. So it's not, oh, I used to remember,
Oh, I see,
right?
I see, I see, I see.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, and you said bakari or something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
And did you say 思い出しましたばかり? Is that what you said?
Aaron-san said 思い出しました。
Oh, okay, okay. 思い出します I can't remember. 覚えていましたばかり. Is there something like that?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay. When you use ばかり, yeah, you can use must one, just must one.
Oh, okay. I
I'm still.
Did you say something, Patrick?
I haven't Bakari is like something I learned a long time ago, and I don't have a very good memory on how to use it. So I'm sure I'm a bit
Okay,
wrong.
just for now, just real quick. If you want to say just did,
Mm.
plain past plus ばかり です.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is です always ばかりです.
Mm.
Yeah. ばかり is kind of like only.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I'll have to refresh on that one.
And
It's
what
what?
was that?
Sorry to interject. This is maybe a little off topic, but what is Becky this?
Becky's should obligation.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay, like I remember that. Okay, okay.
One of the shoulds.
Mm.
One of the shoulds. Yeah. And Aaron-san, what was yours again? 思い出します Is that what you said?
I think I actually were just said omoidasu, but it should have been
思い出す.
omoidasu.
Oh, okay. Yeah, ます one.
Oh.
Plain form.
Omoidashimashita.
思い出しました. Okay. So, okay. Patrick is 覚えていました.
はい。
But we know that it's not there. And And 覚える, neither of you used 覚える, so you know that's not right, right? So that would leave 思い出す. And 思い出す is to recall. So often used in past tense and potential negative. And it comes back, basically. It comes back to you. So I just remember it is it just came back to me.
うん。
So that's what it is.
踊り出しました。
思い、
思い出しました。はい。
Yeah.
It's the same omo. It's the same omoi as in to omoimasu.
そうです。そう
う
です。
ん。
And then 出す. Oh, this is where the kanji is going to be exciting for you. 出す is to get something out.
Oh.
Put something out. The kanji for dasu is out. So that's why dasu is a transitive version. So you put something out. In this case, you put the thought out. It's like your memory is hidden where it's not accessible.
うん。
But now you put it out, and then now it's accessible. You can grab it and then use it. It's kind of like idea, imagery.
That's fun.
Yeah. And yeah. So 日本語で、become, become, to become, so funny. Okay, 日本語で to become, あ、
っていう言葉
はい、
を
日本語で。日本語で to become. To 日本語で to become の言葉を思い出します。No could work too. Actually, to you doesn't sound right. Actually, yeah. To become all 思い出しました。I would just say that.
うん。うん。
Okay. Let's combine what we just did, the sentences 2A and one. What other sentences did I say before I used 思い出した? Do you remember this? Remember 日本語で to change 覚えていますか? That was the second sentence. The first sentence was 漢字を20個覚えてください.
うん。
Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, okay. Let's write that all down.
Okay.
These require examples, good examples, I think. Do you remember? word, the word to become, not to become, to change in Japanese. To change.
日本語で to change の言葉を思い出すか？No. 覚えていますか？
覚えていますか？And let's drop the 言葉。
Okay.
Yeah. To change は覚えていますか？ I think that's a lot more natural.
Use wa.
はい。覚えてい
I think it's really easy to get 思い出す and 覚えています mixed up.
Yeah.
They both sound so similar.
うん。
See, once you learn the kanji for 思い出す and 覚えている、覚える、
うん。
you would not think that. I think
That's one thing I've learned when I started
visually.
making more effort to pay attention to the kanji.
Uh-huh.
Is that it is a lot easier to see what's what. It's not doesn't look quite so much as like a run-on sentence.
うん。
Yeah. Please remember 20 kanji. So what I said, please remember 20 kanji.
Yeah.
漢字を20個覚えてください。by next week, let's just add that. So you
Ooh.
learn the word by. Do you guys know the word by next week?
来週まで
Mother is until, and
Okay.
it's similar.
来週へ No.
It's like to, formal version of ni.
Mm.
Yeah. 来週までに you just add a need to until. 来週までに漢字を20個。Actually, I'm not really sure if 20個 is the right counter for kanji, but let's just use it. So you'll remember. 来週までに漢字を20個。Yeah. If you remember. Memorize. This is good. Three ways to use translate a verb to remember.
惜しまれに。までに、ああ、惜しまれに。までに。字
Uh-huh.
を。20 in a week is crazy.
I just got to go back and recall what all I have learned up till now.
うん。
Put on the spot, it's like you forget everything in the moment.
うん。
You would think, right, Rari-san?
はい。
But the first 10 kanji is going to be just numbers in the book.
うん。
Yeah. And it's just like 1 or 2 strokes.
Yeah, each knee I remember
Uh,
pretty straightforward.
1, 2, 3 is straightforward.
うん。
The 3
Right.
lines. I still remember when I was in the first grade or second grade. Or maybe like before that, like in kindergarten. My older sister, showed me kanji
うん。
for the first time. And she said, this is kanji for ichi. And then one line. I was like, okay. And this is kanji for ni, 2 lines. Makes sense. This is kanji for 3. San. And the 3 lines. We're like getting excited. Wow, this is like I had no idea kanji was so easy. Do you know what do you think the kanji for 4 like yon would be? I was like, oh, I know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lines. She goes, nope. I was like, what? And then she drew yon, kanji for yon. I was like, this is impossible.
Why would they do that to us?
Well, yeah, the complete there. It has nothing to do with 3. It doesn't lead up to it.
I remember
You remember?
車の漢字と、なんの漢字 but, and then 1 and 2, I think 人 and 私 as well, maybe.
Yeah.
Just
At
because
this-
I see them so much.
Yes. At this point, if you remember,
うん。
if you recognize it,
Yeah.
that's what matters.
Yeah. I don't know
And-
that I could write most or know that even know the
Yes,
stroke order.
that's
But
a really good point. And actually, if you can't write kanji, it's not as nearly as bad as not being able to write hiragana or katakana.
うん。
Yeah.
I have learned once you start writing it, it's when you look at it, it doesn't look quite as scary as
Exactly.
just
Yeah.
written in.
For
Yeah.
sure. I think that was the same with hiragana and katakana as well. It was once you put pen to paper and really kind of it helps hammer it into your memory.
Mhm.
It becomes way more familiar and like yeah, I guess an
And
intimate way.
you can see all the individual components.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And in a way, I think kanji is going to be even easier. You'll see a lot of like repetitive strokes. Yeah.
Mhm.
Which doesn't really happen in kana,
うん。
hiragana or katakana. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's getting into kanji. I was talking to some people and I started to think about it, how beneficial it can be.
And
One
especially
person, go ahead.
learning about the kuyomi and oyomi? Yeah.
Yeah.
When is what?
Yeah, but don't worry about that. Just
Okay.
remember the kanji. And I was talking to someone who learned really quickly once he started study kanji, and he shared his opinion about how intimidating kanji first looked, and then but once he started, like remembering the vocabulary, memorizing vocabulary got so much easier.
Interesting.
Yeah, and remembering vocabulary, it's hard. Some like for example, to make and to use. You
Yeah.
guys know which is which?
Scooted, scout,
Scout.
scoot is to make, scout is to use.
素晴らしい. Yeah. And I know why it's difficult because, if I didn't write it in kanji, and if I come from like this knowing English only, scooted it's is like what? Yeah, like yeah, it's
And there
like
isn't there's also like Tutsukeru.
続ける. Yeah.
That's Japanese, right?
So, and then I was talking to my Chinese student, and it's been about a year and a few months, 2 months, yeah, since he started studying Japanese with me. In our lessons, we don't really have to use a whole lot of English anymore.
Oh,
He has some Japanese friends, but he doesn't really use Japanese. When he was in Japan, he told me he actually didn't speak Japanese much at all because he just didn't feel confident. But with Chinese students, I've always noticed they pick up the language faster. Yeah. And even though the Chinese is read completely different, so they still have to learn the sound. But while I was talking to them, if you can see the kanji, and if you recognize them, that's about half of the language, the visual part of it. And the visual helps when you are an adult. Kids just they can just learn the language with sound only. Unfortunately, adults have a much harder time with that. We want to understand as soon as we hear the sound, so we start translating, write down the sentence, so we hope we can remember better. We rely on visuals so much more. You don't want to rely too much on that. And we want to use sound more, but at the same time, we cannot ignore how we think already. So, let's just write down this sentence. When you remember 20 kanji, it'll be easier to remember vocabulary. Remember. When should we use for this? Circling back to example sentence 1.
I'm gonna go with good old Tokiwa.
Okay. So
Yeah.
before you remember kanji?
When?
Before,
The time you
yeah.
the
When
time
you
you
remember
remember
20
kanji.
Do you have to? So when does remembering vocabulary become easier?
I think it's Tara.
Tara. You have to remember the 20 kanji first.
Yeah.
That's
It's in the future.
Yeah, because they haven't remembered 20 kanji yet. So
Right.
it is, we're talking about the future.
Maybe more
But-
sequential.
Exactly, sequential. Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. I was wrong.
漢字を20個覚えたら、 It will be easier to remember vocabulary. Do you guys know how to do this? 単語を How would you do this?
単語を
Oh,
It'll be easier to. This is when you want to use the nominalizer. 単語を覚えるのが楽になる。
become easier.
覚えたら、
簡単になる。
簡単になる is good, but 楽になる is better. 簡単 is more like a simple, but 楽 is more like a effortless type of easy.
Is that the same kanji as for like tanoshi?
そうです。
Ah.
So it's gonna be fun to remember vocabulary. 単語を覚えるのが楽になる。What is this? When once it's done. Sequential. I like that.
Oh, shit.
Now, when I read a Western letter or number in here, do you usually fill up 4 squares or just 2 squares?
I'm sorry, what was that? What's your question?
When you're writing like a Western letter or number in the on the paper here, you usually fill up 2 squares or all 4 squares.
If it's just single digit, it's 4.
Oh, 4, okay.
Two digits like 20, I would use
Yeah.
4.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, that even like a
Take up less space.
3 digits. 3 digits should be in 4.
Or like 4, like the
4 squares.
year.
I don't know. Like 20 year to 2025, I'll do 8 squares. So up to
3 squares.
3 digits, I would put them in 4 squares. But beyond that, from 4 digits, I would use 8 squares. Yeah. It's a really good question, actually.
Yeah, because if you use 4 squares for each digit, that's gonna take up a lot of space.
Yeah. It's true. Okay, so Patrick's gonna get the book,
Right.
and it'll be New Year next week. So we'll be saying 明けましておめでとうございます. Remember that?
はい。
あげましておめでとうございます。
It's 明け
あけまして。
明けましておめでとうございます.
あけましておめでとうございます。There's a second line too. I don't remember what that one was.
今年もよろしくお願いします.
今年もよろしくお願いします。
そうです. Yeah. Easy to remember, right? Yeah. So in the new year, we'll be studying kanji. So it sounds like a good plan, I think.
I like it.
Yeah. Do you know how to say I like it?
好きですよ。
いいですね。
It's got
いいで
to
すね。
be いいですね. Yeah.
いいだね。
あ、いいね.
いいね。
Yeah. That is used only with nouns and not adjectives. Like 好きだね would work. But いいね.
いいね。
The adjective. ね
はい、ありがとうございまし
は
た。
い。ありがとうございました。じゃあ、
ありがとうございました。
はい。また来週ですね。
はい、また来週。じゃあ。
じゃあ。